Before buying a stethoscope, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1. Littmann Classic 3 Monitoring Stethoscope, $5,809. The 3M Littmann Classic 3 Monitoring Stethoscope in the beautiful chocolate tube caught my attention immediately with its stunning copper finish. Priced at around $120.35. It's a top contender for those serious about their craft. If you want to ensure you're hearing every heartbeat and breath clearly, this is worth a serious look. This stethoscope is designed to assist you in monitoring a wide range of patients. With its ability to detect normal and abnormal sounds, it's perfect for non-critical care environments like medical offices and clinics. What's impressive is that it's more than twice as loud compared to other leading brands. This means you can reliably hear heart sounds at lower frequencies, which is crucial for identifying conditions like mitral stenosis. Now, I'll be real with you. Some users have mentioned that the weight can feel slightly heavier than expected. But here's the thing. This added weight also contributes to its sound quality. If you're someone who prefers lightweight stethoscopes, this might be a concern, but for many, the sound clarity makes it worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you're a respiratory therapist looking for top-notch sound quality and performance. Skip this one if you need something lightweight for extended periods on the go. For what you get, the price point is reasonable considering the performance. Now, if the weight of the Littmann Classic 3 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a focus on lightweight design. Product number 2. Littmann Classic 3 Monitoring Stethoscope, $5,620. Another great option from Littmann is the Classic 3 Monitoring Stethoscope in the sleek black tube, priced at $108.16. It's almost identical to the chocolate version, but the black finish gives it a professional edge. If you want the same high quality and reliability, but with a different aesthetic, this one is worth a serious look. Just like its chocolate counterpart, this stethoscope is designed for extensive patient monitoring. The sound clarity is phenomenal, allowing you to catch those important heart and lung sounds effortlessly. With over 32,400 reviews and a 4.8 star rating, this model is clearly loved by many. However, some users reported that the tubing can be a bit stiff at first. Now, some may see this as a drawback, but it does soften over time. For those who are patient, this is not a deal breaker, and the sound quality makes it all worthwhile. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a classic design with great performance. Skip this one if you prefer a stethoscope that's immediately flexible from the start. For the quality you're getting, the price is right. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. Product number 3. MDF Instruments MD1 Premium Stethoscope. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, check out the MDF Instruments MD1 Premium Stethoscope for $49.99. The all-black design is sleek and professional, and at this price point, it's hard to overlook. If you want a reliable stethoscope without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. This stethoscope stands out for its acoustic performance. The dual-head design is crafted to deliver clear heart, lung, and gastrointestinal sounds, essential for respiratory therapists. Its patented features and durable construction ensure you get quality sound transmission without spending a fortune, which is a win-win for anyone in the healthcare field. However, some reviews indicated that the ear tips can be a bit uncomfortable for long periods. Now, I get that comfort is key, especially during long shifts. But the stethoscope includes multiple sizes of ear tips, so finding the right fit can help mitigate this issue. This is perfect for you if you're a student or new therapist on a budget. Skip this one if you're looking for something with all the bells and whistles. For the money, the performance is impressive. Now, if you want something even lighter that still provides great sound quality, let's move on to the next option. Product number 4. MDF Instruments Acoustica Lightweight Stethoscope. The MDF Instruments Acoustica Lightweight Stethoscope is a fantastic option for just $25.95. This model is very appealing if you prioritize lightweight design while still needing good sound quality. If you want a stethoscope that won't weigh you down, this is worth a serious look. This stethoscope is known for its dual-head chest piece, which allows for capturing both high and low-frequency sounds. It's designed specifically for clinical settings, perfect for monitoring patients in any environment. With over 41,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating, it's clear that many find value in its lightweight performance. Some users have mentioned that it doesn't have the same acoustic clarity as pricier models. Now, I'll be honest, if you're comparing it directly to higher-end stethoscopes, you might notice the difference. But for everyday use, it performs quite well, especially considering the price. This is perfect for you if you're a student or someone starting in the field who needs a reliable tool without spending too much. Skip this one if you're looking for premium sound quality and are willing to invest more. You really can't beat the value for the price. Now, if you want to go with a well-known brand that's also light, let's check out this next stethoscope. Product number 5, Littmann Lightweight 2 SE Stethoscope. Lastly, we have the 3M Littmann Lightweight 2 SE Stethoscope for $64.16. This is the lightest of all Littmann stethoscopes, weighing in at just 118 grams. If you want something that's easy to carry around all day, this is worth a serious look. This stethoscope features a dual-sided chest piece, allowing for both a tunable diaphragm and an open bell. This versatility is key for respiratory therapists, enabling you to hear a range of frequencies just by adjusting pressure. Plus, the soft sealing ear tips ensure a comfortable and effective acoustic seal. However, some users noted that it may not be as durable in high-use environments. Here's the thing, if you're in a busy hospital setting, it might not hold up as well as some heavier models. But if you're in less intense environments, it's definitely a solid choice. This is perfect for you if you want a lightweight option that's still reliable. Skip this one if you need something extremely durable for high-stress situations. Considering its features, it's a great value for what you're getting. So there you have it. We've explored 5 fantastic stethoscopes for respiratory therapists, from the high-quality Littmann models to more budget-friendly options from MDF. Each one has its strengths, so it really boils down to your specific needs and preferences. Whether you prioritize sound quality, weight, or budget, there's definitely an option here for you.